Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Nokia C12. To do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Here on top, let's find the Microsoft Edge. When it's ready, click on the Open. Here you can sign in to turn on synchronization with other browsers. I'm gonna skip it. Set up for a data sharing preference. You can read through it if you like. I'm gonna not agree and click on Confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as default browser. And from here, the browser should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.